This is one of the best semi-final matches that I have watched. It is so intense until the end. Until now, my fingers are still shaking. As expected, this Olympics is no doubt the best Olympics ever. The foreign fox is closer to the Chinese fox. The Chinese players Ma Long, Fan Zhendong are pushed to their limits. But this is the beauty of the sport. The world champion won by just a distance of a finger. 2020 Tokyo Olympic Table Tennis men's singles semi-final. Fan Zhendong narrowly beat Lin Yunju 4-3 to advance to the final. Let's evaluate this game. This is my first Olympics and I'm really happy to have made it into the final. Lin was a tough opponent and I really respect him, said Fan Zhendong. Lin Yunju said, Fan was a better player today and he deserves all of the credit. I would like to congratulate him for making it into the final. Before the game, you have voted for Fan Zhendong, 73% for Fan Zhendong and 27% for Lin Yunju. Personally, I really like Lin Yunju. His playing style is very smart with a modern attacking system. His attitude is very calm. I think he will be a great champion in the near future. The head-to-head score is 5-1. Fan Zhendong has won 5 times, Lin Yunju has won 1 time. After the game, Fan Zhendong has come and talked with Coach Liu. It was the toughest match of Fan Zhendong until now.
今天怎么看各位老师表演自己的配合？我觉得首先是一个这几年的进步跟成长还是非常大。今天我们两个发挥的是非常好，最后是以一个很精简、很艰苦的一个拿下比赛。对于自己来说，我觉得今天发挥。
You can hear the shout of Ma Long. It is also a crazy match for Ma Long. Today, both 4 players are the real champions. Fan Zhendong said that he was fortunate to have won today. In the end, he was more determined and dared to attack. I'm very happy to enter the finals after participating in the Olympic Games for the first time. He even praised Lin Yunju for his very good performance today and his rapid growth. Sometimes, objectively speaking, he is ahead and he is more released. In fact, he was a little worried about the change in his opponent, but in the 7th game, they all knew how to restrain each other. He is a respectable opponent. Before the game, I think Fan Zhendong will win 4-2, but from the second set of this game, Fan Zhendong has completely let go, but the result is still likely to lose. This level of anxiety in this game refreshed my understanding of the player Lin Yunju. He has not only a good sense of the ball, but he is also smart. For the technique, he has enough absolute strength to beat the top players of the Chinese national team. Lin Yunju has improved a lot. He played like the top Chinese player. His level is very close to the level of Fan Zhendong and Ma Long right now. Fan Zhendong has prepared for the difficulties that may be encountered. Lin Yunju is not a person to wait, and he has defeated Fan Zhendong on T2 in recent years. And Lin Yunju is not Tomokazu Harimoto. He has the overall strength, not only at the backhand flick but also at the forehand attack and the tactical variation. The first game really caused great trouble for Fan Zhendong, and he won the game directly. Lin Yunju's serve changed a lot. He mixed with long and fast serve, which restrict Fan Zhendong's backhand flick a lot. From the second to fifth set, the two sides enter a close hand-to-hand battle. Fan Zhendong stayed slowly recover and gained the upper hand in the high-quality long ball confrontation. Lin Yunju has always maintained a strong backhand attack with an amazing speed. This game is the world-class, top-notch speed in table tennis. After all, in terms of head-to-head score, Lin Yunju has never beaten Fan Zhendong in a formal ITTF international competition. Lin Yunju's mentality is also continuous and stable. He has well known with the nickname the cold face killer, the silent assassin. Even in the Olympics, he has a certain devil temperament. In contrast, Fan Zhendong's mental state can be seen going up and down with the naked eye. Several close-up between rounds can be seen from the micro-expression that he is very nervous. This can't help but make me worried about the result of this game. Zhendong was able to take the lead and the score was 8-4. Lin Yunju made a mistake and missed. Fan Zhendong closed the last point straight and finally won. At the final moment, Fan Zhendong has played his strength and is more consistent than Lin Yunju. Oh, finally, I will say both are the real champion. Lin Yunju is very strong, his level is amazing. Very close to the top Chinese player. Congratulations to Fan Zhendong.